Is there an easier way to invest than manually buying stocks every pay period, worrying about rebalancing, or getting caught up in market noise? That was the question I kept asking myself when I started my investing journey. I wanted to build long-term wealth without constant micromanagement. That's why I landed on M1 Finance, and specifically, their core automation features. In my experience, the best way to automate investing on M1 boils down to setting up three specific things: your portfolio, your funding schedule, and the auto-invest feature. 1. Build your investment pie. First, you need to set up your M1 pie. This is your portfolio blueprint. Think of it as a target allocation for your money. You select the individual stocks and ETFs you want to own. These become the slices of your pie. The crucial step here is assigning a target percentage to each slice. For example, 40% into a total stock market ETF, 30% into an international ETF, and 30% into a sector ETF. The total must equal 100%. This design is what M1's automation uses to keep your portfolio on track. This is my long-term strategy laid out visually. 2. Set up recurring deposits. Next, you need to automate the inflow of cash. This implements the dollar-cost averaging strategy, which is one of the most effective ways to build wealth passively. In the transfers section, you set up an automated recurring transfer from your linked bank account to your M1 Invest account. I based the frequency on my paycheck schedule, bi-weekly for consistency, and set the amount to what I could comfortably invest. This is the set it and forget it step for getting cash into the platform. 3. Turn on Auto Invest. This is the magic button. Once you have a pie and cash flowing in, Auto Invest is what puts the money to work for you, intelligently. Navigate to your portfolio settings, and simply toggle Auto Invest on. It's generally on by default, but double check. I also recommend setting a minimum cash balance to $0. M1 will only execute a buy order once your uninvested cash exceeds $25 above your set minimum. Setting it to $0 ensures as much money as possible gets invested immediately. The key is the dynamic rebalancing. When a deposit hits, M1's algorithm automatically directs the funds to the underweight slices, the investments that have fallen below their target percentage, to bring your portfolio back toward its original targets. You don't have to calculate or manually buy anything. This three-step system, pie, recurring transfer, auto invest, creates a completely automated investing loop. Every deposit is automatically allocated and invested to maintain my specific, long-term strategy, and it all runs on autopilot. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.